In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets in HubSpot. Whether you're handling inquiries or managing support cases, creating tickets in HubSpot is essential for staying organized and providing excellent service to your customers. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can seamlessly create these tickets and manage them effectively. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, make sure you set it up. Logging into HubSpot is your gateway to accessing all the tools you'll need, including the Service Hub where you'll be creating and managing tickets. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with HubSpot's interface if you haven't already. Now, after logging into the system, navigate over to the Service section. You'll find this in the top menu of your dashboard. Hover over Service, and from the drop-down menu, select Help Desk. This area of HubSpot is where all of your customer service operations can be managed centrally. It's designed to help you track and resolve customer issues efficiently and ensure you're staying on top of your support tasks. Once you're in the Help Desk section, you'll see an option to Create Ticket. Click on this button. This is where you'll enter all the necessary details about the ticket, starting with the name. The ticket name should be descriptive enough that you and any team members can easily identify the issue or request. For example, if a customer is reporting a software bug, you might name it something like Software Bug Report, Error Code 404. Next, let's fill in the pipeline and status information. The pipeline is essentially the workflow that your ticket will follow. In HubSpot, you can create different pipelines to manage various service processes, like customer support, technical support, or sales inquiries. Choose the pipeline that best matches the type of ticket you're creating. The status of the ticket is crucial for tracking the progress. It typically ranges from new and in progress to closed or resolved. Setting this accurately will help in maintaining a clear view of all ongoing tasks and assignments. While entering these details, feel free to add more relevant information such as the ticket priority, the contact associated with the issue, and any due dates. These extra details will make it easier to prioritize and manage tickets effectively. Take your time to ensure all information is accurate before moving forward. And there you have it. You've successfully created a ticket in HubSpot. By following these steps, you're ensuring that each customer interaction is documented and addressed systematically. Remember, an organized help desk means improved service and a more efficient team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more features in HubSpot to enhance your customer service experience. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tutorials. Have a fantastic day managing your customer service operations.